Igbo ndị ọma, ekene m unu. This is 2026 and ahụ na-acha. Mana oyi juru ebe a ya. Ọ bụrụ obere ife. Nekwenu. Snow. Yesterday was snowing too much. Anọ m ebe a with Uchenna, obere chief and Chijoke. Ha na-eme schlittler. I don't know. Snow tube. Tabagu, I don't know the English word. So we are just trying to make the best of it. Ezengwa is not here. He's enjoying his life in the village. But us, instead of drinking in Queno, I nata snow. His life no balance. But anyway, it's 2026, so we'll do the best of it. I hope everybody's enjoying their weekends. Wishing you all the best for this year. It should bring nothing but happiness, health, love, luck. Hanchanine. Bye bye.